Welcome to our video on the wonderful benefits of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is derived from the peppermint plant, known for its refreshing scent and cooling properties. In this video, we will explore the many ways in which peppermint oil can be used to promote health and well-being. From aromatherapy to skincare, digestive health to respiratory health, peppermint oil has a wide range of benefits. Join us as we delve into the world of peppermint oil and uncover its amazing properties. Aromatherapy is one of the most popular uses of peppermint oil. Its invigorating and uplifting scent can help to improve mood, increase alertness, and reduce stress. Peppermint oil can be diffused in the air using a diffuser or added to a carrier oil and used for massage. It can also be inhaled directly from the bottle or added to a hot bath for a relaxing and rejuvenating experience. Peppermint oil is also known for its skincare benefits. It has anti-inflammatory, antiseptic, and antioxidant properties that can help to soothe irritated skin, reduce redness, and fight against acne-causing bacteria. Peppermint oil can be added to skincare products such as facial cleansers, toners, and masks, or used directly on the skin after dilution with a carrier oil. It can also be used as a natural remedy for insect bites, itching, and sunburn. Peppermint oil has been used for centuries to support digestive health. It can help to relieve symptoms of indigestion, such as bloating, gas, and stomach discomfort. Peppermint oil works by relaxing the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, which can help to improve digestion and reduce symptoms of gastrointestinal disorders. Peppermint oil can be taken orally in the form of capsules, added to food or beverages, or used topically on the abdomen after dilution with a carrier oil. Peppermint oil is also beneficial for respiratory health. Its minty aroma can help to clear the airways and relieve symptoms of respiratory conditions such as coughs, colds, and congestion. Peppermint oil can be used in a diffuser or added to a steam inhalation to help ease respiratory discomfort. It can also be applied topically on the chest or back after dilution with a carrier oil for a soothing massage that can help to relieve respiratory congestion. Peppermint oil can also be used in cooking to add a burst of flavor and freshness to various dishes. It can be used in both sweet and savory recipes, such as desserts, salads, and sauces. Peppermint oil is highly concentrated, so only a small amount is needed to impart its distinctive flavor. It is important to use food-grade peppermint oil and follow recommended dilution guidelines when using it in cooking. Peppermint oil can also be used as a natural cleaning agent. Its antiseptic and antimicrobial properties make it effective in killing germs and bacteria, making it a great addition to DIY cleaning solutions. Peppermint oil can be added to water, vinegar, or other cleaning ingredients to create a refreshing and effective cleaner for various surfaces in your home, such as countertops, floors, and bathrooms. However, it is important to note that peppermint oil is highly concentrated and can cause skin irritation or allergic reactions in some individuals. It should always be used with caution and properly diluted with a carrier oil before applying it on the skin or ingesting it. It is also not recommended for use on infants or young children, pregnant or nursing women, or individuals with certain health conditions. It is best to consult a qualified healthcare professional before using peppermint oil, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or are taking medications. Proper storage of peppermint oil is also crucial to maintain its potency and effectiveness. Peppermint oil should be stored in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and heat, to prevent oxidation and deterioration of its properties. It should also be kept out of reach of children and pets to avoid accidental ingestion or misuse. And there you have it, the incredible benefits of peppermint oil. From aromatherapy to skincare, digestive health to respiratory health, cooking to cleaning, peppermint oil has a wide range of uses and benefits. Remember to always use peppermint oil safely, properly dilute it with a carrier oil, and consult a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos like this. We appreciate your support and look forward to seeing you in our next video.